wash and go. That never happens.
It's time for the reveal. So the person had like a really loose, they called it a loose hair tie that you could like pull together to make it tighter. Essentially, it was a scarf that you could pull tighter. And so that's what I did with a black scarf that I had. And they put a bonnet on top for extra support. This stayed on all night. This looks crazy. Just so you know, warning, it looks crazy. All right, so this is how I did it. I made a scarf, I put it around my head. This is not what was on the part, but I did it this way. Okay. All right. So far, it looks better than it's ever looked. I know this looks crazy, but looks better. So let me shake it. It actually worked. My hair definitely fluffed up way more than it was when I went to sleep. But she said that she just sprayed a little bit on the ends. Okay. Let me see the back. Yeah, what's the back look like? Let's see. Okay, y'all, I'm like hype. I'm excited. Let me get in this better lighting to do the outfit of the day. Y'all, my wash and go did good the next day. That never happens. What? And if you saw what I did yesterday, it was all for one product. Okay, so is this summer going to be a wash and go summer? Probably. Okay. All right, so this is day 2 of the wash and go using that method from TikTok. No creases, no dents, and my hair, for me, it just keeps swelling and getting bigger and bigger until there's no definition. I think I found a new process. This is day 3 of the wash and go hair. I just took it out the bonnet. I don't think y'all understand. My hair is very, very thick. I feel like that looks like carpet. I don't feel like that looks like curls. The longer I go on a washing day, the more like thick it is, so where like I can't really push it back. I don't know, but I'm gonna try it again with new products.